Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure power and connectivity are stable. Plug in your laptop and use a wired or strong Wi-Fi connection. Then create a quick backup or a system restore point so you can revert if needed. Once done, free up about 20-30 GB by deleting temp files and uninstalling unused apps because updates need space. Next, open Settings and go straight to Update and Security so you can begin checking for available Windows 10 updates now. After checking for updates, Windows will list cumulative and feature updates. Start with the cumulative patches and download them first. Make sure optional updates and drivers are installed only after core patches finish, because drivers can wait and often depend on the latest fixes. If a large feature update appears, use the Update Assistant for a smoother upgrade. And if bandwidth or timing is an issue, pause and schedule the big install for an off-peak period to prevent interruptions and file corruption. Finally, restart your PC to complete the installation. Expect one or more reboots. After booting, confirm the new build and settings system about and run Windows Update again to catch any remaining patches. If a driver or app misbehaves, roll back the driver or use system restore to return to your restore point. As a key troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode if the system won't start. It lets you uninstall problematic updates, run sfc/dism, or restore without exposing your normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.